you. You want me to hold it? Okay, there you go. Does that go there? Oh. That's right. Good boy. Where's the blue circle go? Does it go there? No.
No.
Does it go there? Yay! What about the yellow square? Put the yellow square in. Shake, shake, shake. Here, I'll hold it for you. Okay, put the yellow square in. Does it go there? No. Does it go there? No.
No.
What about right there? Yay! Good job, buddy. That's a good way to take them out. Good.